Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Let's see about how to install Photivo application on Linux Mint 18.3. Photivo is a free and open source photo processor for raw and bitmap image with 16-bit precision. Photivo is tried to give a user as much more control as possible to express his creativity and to allow flexible adjustment for the various needs in photography. It's have a lot of pretty and good features. Before you have to install, you should update your system repository using this following command. The updation is going on. After updating your repository, you have to add a repository to install a Photivo application. The repository is adding now. Here we have to press enter to proceed the process. The repository was successfully added now. After adding the repository, you have to update your system repository once again. The updation is going on. The updation was completed. After updating your system repository, you have to install a Photivo application. The installation is going on. Here we have to press Y to proceed the process. The installation was successfully completed. Then we have to open a Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type Photivo. The application is shown on the screen. Here we have to click to open. The application is open now. This is a photo editor application. If you want to open a file from a local directory, please click here. Here you have to choose a file from your local directory. Here you have to choosing your file. After choosing your file, you have to open. Then you have to creativity and flexible adjustment for you need to create the particular file. You can jump workflow integration on the file. These are all the installation process about Photivo application on Linux Mint 18.3. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. To more further videos, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.